Bird, I'm gonna let you out, okay? I'm gonna let you out. All right? Come on with me. Come on, bird. Come on. Let you out. Wherever you are, you need to get out of here. Come on, bird. Come on, bird. Come on. There you go. Where'd you go now? Where'd you go? I guess he's out of here now, huh? I hope he's out by now. Where is he? Oh shoot, he went in the other room. Scraggles. Where is he now? There he is. Come on, bird, get out of here. Go that way. Quit. Come on, bird. Go that way. Go that way. There you go. There you go. Now he's that way. The door's right there, bird. Go that way, bird. Don't go this way. Go that way. The door, go to the door. Go to the door, bird. Door. There you go. There you go. You're close. You're close. You're so close. That's the door. Now go out the door. Okay? Go out the silly door. Take that friggin' stuff with you. Go out the door. Come on. You gone yet? Go out the door. I was here to help him. Scraggles, that's one bird you're not gonna eat. Okay? I guess you'll have to go eat something else for breakfast, okay? That bird got lucky. He didn't get stuck in that leopard skin, did he? The bird got lucky. Right, Scraggles? Scraggles. He's busy.